Hello everybody. Now exponent and the powers we will discuss. Now here is use of exponent to express a small number in the standard form. Means अगर कोई भी number दिया है, how can you write down that number in the standard form? For example, suppose your number is 4326.7 is there. Standard form means आपको क्या करना है, इस decimal point को you have to shift just after from the left side after one digit. That will be in the standard form. So if you are going to shift this decimal point on this side, how many digit you will shift? 1, 2, 3. 3 digit shift करेंगे तो इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? This is 4.3267 into 10 raised to power. अगर you are going to shift the decimal point on the left side, जितना shift digit करेंगे, जितना digit हम shift करेंगे इस decimal point को, उतना ही 10 की power लिख दीजिए. तो how many digit we are going to shift here? 1, 2, 3. Decimal point को कितनी digit के बाद करना? 1, 2, 3 के बाद. So that is 10 raised to power 3. This is your standard form. Simple. केवल अगर if you are going to shift on the left, positive will come here only. 10 raised to power positive value. जितना digit shift करेंगे. अगर मान लीजिए यही होता not point not 4 3 2 suppose. So here we are supposed to shift this decimal point on the right side. On the right side we are supposed to shift. How many digit we are supposed to shift? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit करेंगे. तो this is 4.32. तो अगर मैं right को shift कर रहे हैं, तो जितना digit shift करेंगे उतना ही minus 10 raised to power कर दीजिए. This is your standard form. These are the standard form. So any number is there, you can write on the standard form. One more example you can take. Suppose number है 23759. This is given. अब now is here is कि डेसिमल पॉइंट तो यहाँ दिया ही नहीं है. इसका मतलब ये है कि डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं दिया है, तो इसका मतलब डेसिमल पॉइंट कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर. Here is at the last. Now you want to shift this is 5 digit back. So this is 2.37589 into 10 raised to power, because लेफ्ट में जा रहे हैं तो क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव आएगा. लेफ्ट में हमेशा पॉजिटिव, राइट में जाएंगे तो नेगेटिव. This is. So we are going to back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, so 10 raised to power 5. This is your standard form. This is your standard form. So अगर if any number is given there only, you can write down in the standard form. Suppose one more example. This is given 0.439. Suppose. So this can be written as 4.39 into 10 raised to power. How many digits we are going to shift? Only one digit. So here will be the -1. So this is your standard form. This is your standard form. So if any one of the number is given there only, any number is given, you can write down in the standard form is there. जैसे this number is given, you can write down in this one. इसको हमने इसमें लिखा. Likewise, so you can write down in the standard form is there only. Have a look. Okay, now these few questions we are taking. First is the evaluate, then find the value of this, evaluate, and you have to find the value of m is here. So first we are taking 3 raised to power -2. तो पहले one thing is keep in mind, अगर suppose a raised to power -1 है, तो that can be written as 1 over a. If a raised to power -2 negative is there, then you can write down a raised to power 2. Negative is sign is given there only, that can be written as in this way. Now first case you are taking. So we want to evaluate this 3 raised to power -2. It means this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 over 3 raised to power +2, and this can be written as 1 over 3 into 3, and 3 into 3 means that is 1 over 9, and this is your answer. Simple, you can do that. Now this is question number 2. Find the value of 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power -1 into 2 raised to power 2. See, and this is already we discussed. If the exponent of any one of the number, अगर किसी भी नंबर का exponent 0 है, तो that is always equal to 1 होता है. 2 raised to power 0, that will be equal to 1. 3 raised to power 0 will be 1. तो देखिए ये क्या होगा? This is 1 plus this is 4 raised to power -1. इस वाली कंडीशन से that is 1 over 4 into 2 raised to power 2 means 2 into 2 you can do. Simple. You can put 1 is here. You can take the LCM. 4. Once you will divide 4. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 into this is 2 to the 4. So finally you are getting this is 4 plus 1 5 over 4 into 4 4 and 4 you can cancel, this is 5 and this is your answer. Simple, you can do that. तो सिंपली क्या है, अगर किसी नंबर का power 0 that is always equal to 1 and this 4 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 over 4 into 2 raised to power 2 means you have to write the 2 into 2 and solve it this one. Now just question number 3 we are taking. So look at here now, question number 3. See, question number 3 is find the value of this one. We want to find the value of 1 over 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 over 3 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 over 4 raised to power minus 1. See one thing, ये right now we were discussing, अगर a raised to power minus 1 है तो we will write what 1 over a. लेकिन this is already given in the form of the fraction. अगर मान लो ये already fraction की form है, अगर मान लो ये होता, for example suppose 1 over a whole raised to power minus 1, तो हम इसको कैसे लिखते हैं, 1 over this one, 1 over a, this one. So this is equal to what, 1 over a. तो ये क्या होगा, this is actually 1 over 1 over a. तो ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, ये दोनों, तो you will get here 1 into a over 1 into 1. So what you are getting a itself only. It means कि अगर एक 1 over a raised to power minus 1 है तो डायरेक्ट you can write the रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस वन. इसका डायरेक्ट रेसिप्रोकल लिख दिया. अगर ये माइनस 1 है तो वो 1 ही रहेगा. अगर ये होता सपोज 1 over a whole raised to power minus 2 तो ये क्या हो जाता, a raised to power 2. डायरेक्ट you can do that. So same is here, 1 over 2 raised to power minus 1 you can write down what, 2. 1 over 3 raised to power minus 1 means 3. 1 over 4 raised to power minus 1 means 4. So what you are getting, 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 is 9 and this is your answer. Simple. अगर ये स्क्वायर होता, फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज यही क्वेश्चन ऐसे होता, 1 over 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 over 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 over 4 raised to power minus 2. इन दैट केस क्या हो जाता है, ये दिस इज 2 raised to power 2 plus 3 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2. So that is 2 raised to power 2 means 4. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 into 3 9. 4 4 16. So that is equal to, you will get 29. So in that case your answer will be used to be 29. So this is question number 3. Now just take the question number 4 is here. So look at here now, question number 4. Question number 4 is you want to evaluate, we want to solve this one is there only. So 4 is 8 raised to power minus 1 into 5 raised to power 3 whole over 2 raised to power minus 4. पहले तो इसको चेंज करेंगे. This is equal to what, 1 8 raised to power minus 1 means 1 over 8 into 5 raised to power 3 keep as it is. This is also 1 over 2 raised to power 4. जो अभी डिस्कस किया कि a की पावर -1 है तो that is equal to 1 over a raised to power -2 that is equal to 1 over a square. Likewise you can do. So see now this 8 will come denominator and 2 raised to power 4 will go in the numerator is there. So finally you will get here 1 into 5 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 4. Here is 1 into 8. You can, this can be written as 1 as it is, 5 raised to power 3 5 into 5 into 5, 2 raised to power 4 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 over 1 into 8 is 8. 2 to the 4 8 cancel. Finally you are getting 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. You can multiply this one. So 5 5 is 25 into 10 that is 250 and this is your answer. तो सिंपली क्या कर रहे हैं, केवल इसको 1 over 8 into 5 raised to power 3 as it is. This is 1 over 2 raised to power 4. ये 8 will multiply here only. ये वाला कंडीशन ये होता है a over b whole over, अगर c over d है तो these two will be multiplied and these two, ये extremes, these are the means, इनको बोलते हैं. तो ये a into d over b into c होता है. This is keep in mind. This one is there only. So by applying this one, simply you can do, you will get this one. Now see the question number 5. So see the question number 5 now. I'm going to rub it. See. Now question number 5 is we are supposed to find the value of m. हमको we are given 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. This is, देखिए यहाँ पहले क्या लगेगा, a raised to power m whole over n वाला e raised to power m minus n. This is the identity we will apply because this is we are dividing is here. तो this is equal to, इसको हम ले सकते हैं 5 raised to power m whole over 5 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. Now here we can apply this identity is there. This one you can apply. So this is 5 raised to power m minus, this is the minus according to rule, but this minus sign is also given with this number. ये माइनस इस नंबर के साथ है तो वो इनसाइड रेडिकल्स इनसाइड द पैरेंथेसिस आएगा एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 5 raised to power 5. अब देखिए इसको हम क्या ले सकते हैं 5 raised to power m प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. अब नाउ these two values are equal. ध्यान से देखिए here is the base, this is 5, here is the 5, bases are same. तो this is equal to this one, bases are same है तो इसका मतलब this should be equal to this one, then these two value will be the equal. मीन्स का मतलब अगर मैं ये कहूं कि a की पावर m बराबर a की पावर t है तो ये सेम है तो इसका मतलब ये m इज इक्वल टू t होगा तभी तो ये दोनों सेम आएंगे. मीन्स a raised to power m इज इक्वल टू इफ द बेसिस आर सेम है तो these two must also be equal, then they will be equal. देखिए m इज इक्वल टू t होगा तो अगर मैं m को 2 रखूं तो क्या होगा a raised to power 2 इज इक्वल टू a raised to power 2. m को 3 रखें दैट इज इक्वल टू t इटसेल्फ है. m इज इक्वल टू 3 रखेंगे तो t भी 3 हो गया तो दैट इज यू कैन से a3 इज इक्वल टू a3. लाइकवाइज यू कैन राइट ऑन दिस हियर. तो इट मींस दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस वन. यहां बेसिस सेम है इसका मतलब दिस एक्सपोनेंट मस्ट आल्सो बी द सेम. एक्सपोनेंट सेम होने चाहिए अदरवाइज दे कैन नॉट बी इक्वल. So therefore you will get what m plus 3 is equal to 5. Now you can transpose because we want to find out the value of m. हमें क्या है m की वैल्यू निकालनी है. इसमें we are supposed to find the value of m is here only कि इस m की वैल्यू क्या होगी that is. तो ये हो गया ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो this is m is equal to 5 minus 3. So therefore m is equal to 2 and this is your answer. Have a look. Yes, now these few more questions also we will discuss. First is the simplify. So question number 1 I am taking. पहले question number 1 को लेते हैं. We are supposed to simplify. This one is there. तो question है आपका 25 into t raised to power minus 4 over 5 raised to power minus 3 into 10 into t raised to power minus 8. So first of all क्या करना है इस negative sign को you have to remove from here only. तो देखिए this is 25 into दिस t raised to power minus 4 को क्या ले सकते हैं 1 over t raised to power 4. तो t raised to power 4 न्यूमरेटर में आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में इनटू दिस 5 raised to power 3 को करेंगे तो 1 over तो 5 raised to power 3 1 over 5 raised to power 3 तो 5 raised to power 3 न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा. 5 raised to power 3 इज देयर यू कैन राइट डाउन. चलिए यहां लिखते हैं इनटू 1 इनटू 10 will remain as it is and this is t raised to power minus t again 1 into t raised to power 8. देखिए a minus 1 बराबर होता है 1 over a. तो इसको you will break, this one is there. तो this is 1 over t raised to power 4. ये क्या t raised to power 4. तो 1 over t raised to power 4. तो 1 t raised to power 4 will come in the denominator. इसको लिखेंगे 1 over t raised to power 8. तो this will go in the numerator is there. चाहे तो एक लाइन लिख सकते थे. Look at here now. You can solve this one is there. So this is, see now you can cancel 5 5 jab 5 2 jab. So here is numerator you are getting 5 into 5 raised to power 3 into t raised to power 8 in denominator में क्या है 2 into t raised to power 4. So this can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 3 times is here into and this is 2 and this is your here you can apply a raised to power m over a raised to power m. ये वाला apply कर सकते हैं m minus m. This one is there only simple you can this is तो ये हो जाएगा t raised to power 8 minus 4. ये इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो दिस इज 625 ओवर 2 एंड दिस इज t raised to power 4 एंड दिस इज योर सिंप्लीफाइड. सिंपली क्या करना है इसको चाहो तो एक लाइन यहाँ लिख सकते हैं. लुक एट हियर इसको हम ले सकते हैं 25 into 1 over t raised to power 4 whole over this is 1 over 5 raised to power 3 into 10 into 1 over t raised to power 8. So the 5 raised to power 3 and t raised to power 8 will go in the numerator and t raised to power 4 denominator में आएगा. तो देखिए 5 raised to power 3 t raised to power 4 के numerator में ये denominator में आ गया. Now you have to solve 25 into this 5 5 ja 5 2 ja cancel, you will get this is simply break, and this one you will get. So this is your first part is there. Have a look. Now the second question we are taking, simplify. Look at here now. This is your 1 over 3 raised to power minus 2 minus 1 over 2 raised to power minus 3 divided by 1 over 4 raised to power minus 2. So here is the negatives is there. Direct you can do the reciprocal of this one. Direct इसका reciprocal करेंगे तो देखिए क्या आएगा, ये 3 raised to power 2 minus this is 2 raised to power 3. Division sign, this is 4 raised to power 2. Direct we can do. This is already we discussed. ये हो गया हमारा 3 3 जा 3 into 3 is 9 minus 2 into 2 into 2 8. Division sign, this is 60. So this is what 1 divided by 60. So this is equal to what 1 over 60, and this is your answer. Simple you can do, क्योंकि ये कंडीशन होता है कि a raised to power minus 2 है तो that can be written as 1 over a square. If a raised to power minus 3 is there, that can be written as a over 1 over a raised to power 3 is there. A may be any one of the number. जैसे ये किया तो 1 over 3 whole power minus 2, it means 1 over 3 whole square. So this is equal to 1 over 3 square, and this can be written as numerator क्या 1 over 1 over 3 square. So you will multiply this 1 into this one is there, so 1 into 3 raised to power 2 over 1 into 1. So finally you are getting 3 raised to power 2. So directly you can write down this one. So here is this one, and you can solve. So this is your answer. अब देखिए next है express in the standard form. We want to write this one, these two in the standard form is there only. वो हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया, लेकिन कैसे लिखेंगे लोग करिए नाउ. First part we are taking A. This is not point. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. You want to write in the standard form. It means we are supposed to shift this decimal point just after one digit is here. So how many digits we are going to shift? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 7.8 into 10 raised to power minus 8. We are going to shift on the right hand side. अगर right में shift करते हैं तो negative sign will come. Left में shift करते हैं positive will come. B part. That is 24 0 8 0 0 0 6 zeros are here. It means decimal point is not given here. इसमें decimal point नहीं दिया है. In this decimal point is not given. It means your decimal point is here. You are supposed to shift this decimal point here only. So how many digits you will shift? कितनी digits shift करेंगे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this can be written as 2.408 into 10 raised to power 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 digit we will going to shift. On the left करते हैं तो प्लस आता है, राइट में करते हैं तो माइनस आता है. बस दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज कीप इन माइंड. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू शिफ्ट द डेसिमल पॉइंट ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, 10 raised to power negative value will come. If you are going to shift the decimal point on the left hand side, then positive value will come. 10 raised to power positive value will come is there. Now the question number 4. This is we are saying this is expressed in the usual form. This is already given in the standard form. ये क्या है? Already given in the standard form. So this is your 3.02 into 10 raised to power minus 6. We want to write in the usual form is there. तो minus 6 कब आ रहा है? माइनस 6 कब आ रहा है? यहाँ माइनस कब है? इसका मतलब डेसिमल पॉइंट हमारा पीछे रहा होगा. इट मीन 6 डिजिट बैक ले जाइए इसको. तो 6 डिजिट बैक ले जाएंगे तो देखिए दिस इज 302 1 then 2 3 4 5 6. So decimal point will here. This is your as usual form. If you want to write this one in this one again, तो देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 डिजिट लाएंगे तो 3.02 you can write on the standard form is there. ऐसे इसको देखिए, this is your 5. This is given 45 into 10 raised to power 4. This is your 45. 4.5 is given. 4.5 है यहाँ पर into 10 raised to power 4. You want to write in usual form. तो decimal point से कितना डिजिट जाएगा? 4 डिजिट. राइट साइड में 4 डिजिट बनाई तो 5 कितना जीरो चाहिए? 1 2 3 is here. So this is your The usual form is there only. It means decimal point is here only. जब आप इसमें लेफ्ट में लाएंगे तो प्लस होता है और राइट में लेते हैं माइनस. So these are the your usual form is there only. Have a look.